Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Everything you say to me, just one step closer to the edge. And all about to break, I need a little room to breathe. Just one step closer to the edge. And I'm about to break.
Dak spangur ki Paidbah bakan thup na du ki nong rap ki producer groups ki self help group ki nong ri jingri bat ki nong sang kam la jong ki la yo Jingmyntoi na Jingsam Skhim jingarap do menteri Rambrai ka jala okona sangma lamba du MLA ka Rambrai constituency uba kimfa es marbanyang hak jingalang kablalong hak nai trik nai wiang arajar arpuar hamadan Rambrai West Khasi Hills district ki scheme ki bala sam hakani ka ski kan thup na ka benta ka scheme focus ka Focus Plus, ka NRLM, ka Yes Meghalaya, but ka scheme RCR, ne ka Progress and Rural Backyard Poultry Scheme.
So friends, apart from this very important and historic occasion of the inauguration of the block, we are also here to participate in one of the biggest farmer welfare program that this state has ever seen, and the biggest program that is there running right now in the entire Northeast region, which is the Focus and the Focus Plus. Through this scheme, we are giving 5,000 rupees in your group account and 5,000 rupees in your personal account. So 10,000 rupees will be given to every beneficiary. And yes, as one of our friends who had spoken earlier had urged the government that this program should continue, I want to assure you that with your blessings and with the blessings from above, if our government continues and if I'm back here as Chief Minister, this Focus and Focus Plus program will continue every year, where we will give 5,000 in the group account and 5,000 in your personal accounts. And we will also ensure that not just 5 years, this should become an annual program every year. My goal and dream is to see that we see a major transformation in our farmers' incomes and in their livelihood. Through the Focus program, we will be distributing around 200 crores every year. Through Focus Plus, we'll be distributing 200 crores every year. That means every year, our farmers will get 400 crore rupee cash. And this is not a loan. This is cash being given to you. And you can imagine if this 400 crores we give you year after year, year after year. And if we continue to give this for the next 10 years, the government will distribute 4,000 crores to the farmers. This will go into your accounts. And if you utilize this money in a good manner, in a productive manner, and rotate this money, revolve this money will become from 4,000 crores to even 5,000, 6,000, even 10,000 crores. All of you, that this kind of an opportunity will not come all the time. No government has ever done this kind of a scheme. This is the first government that has dared to take up a project like this, where we help the farmers directly. Some people are saying, what will 5,000 do? But if utilized properly, 5,000 can make a huge difference in your lives. Because every year we'll be giving you 5,000. Every year we'll be giving you 10,000. Every year all the groups and all of you will get 400 crores. It is not a small amount. But you have to utilize it properly. Given 5 lakhs, also 10, 20 lakhs, if you don't use it properly, it is meaningless. But even 5,000 rupees per individual, 50,000 or 1 lakh per group is a huge amount if you can utilize it for the benefit and the betterment of your group and of your people. And hence, it will depend on you. We have also today distributing the piglets through the Progress mission. Again, a very, very highly innovative program. And the reason why we're doing this program is very simple. That today, Meghalaya consumes 18,000 metric tons of pork. Market value, 600 crores worth of pork. And half of it, which means 300 crores worth of pork, all comes from outside the state. Which means our people are paying people from outside the state to buy pork worth 300 crores every year. So the focus and the plan of this program of progress is to ensure that we can be self-sufficient in piggery and pork, so that the money that is sent outside will be now given to our people. And slowly and steadily we will move towards it. I'm not saying we can achieve it in 1 year, 2 years, no.